Where to find the best sites. Snakes, spiders and insects. Hello. Here you will find where to solve your questions about how to feed a snake chicken. These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about how to feed a snake chicken is www.instructables.com. See the page titled How to Cook a Snake, instructables.com. Here's the link. You can also try www.backyardchickens.com, especially the page Snake, Chicken Predators, How to Protect Your Chickens. This is the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site www.wikihow.com. The web page How to Feed a Snake Frozen Food, 6 Steps, WikiHow. This is the link.